morning, sir. I'm Charlie Macdi Pareha, and this is the video for reaction video for the case of Eileen Sarmente and Alan Gomez. So, in summary, in 1993, the tragic deaths of the two students in University of the Philippines, Los Baños, which were Eileen Sarmente and Alan Gomez, that shocked the Philippine justice system. So, the case began with the terrifying abduction men working. Then Caloocan, Laguna, Mayor Antonio Sanchez were forcibly took Sarmente and Gomez. So they were taken to the mayor's farm where Sarmente was assaulted and Gomez was beaten and later murdered. So this brutal act shows how political official misuse his power to commit one of the nation's worst crimes. So the case quickly sparked national anger, demanding accountability from those in authority. So the trial's success against a powerful figure depending on a strong evidence. So the prosecution obtained witness testimonies from co-conspirators, especially Fernando Boy Solis, who became a state witness. His detailed account revealed the horrific timeline directly linking Mayor Sanchez to the killings. So the impactful testimony was backed up with the physical evidence from the crime scene. Forensic test confirmed that Sarmente had been assaulted and identified the cause of both victims' deaths. So additional ballistic evidence connected an M16 shell found at the scene. Gomez death to a rifle used by Sanchez men. So a piece of Sarmente's clothing was also found at the mayor's farm. So despite the defense legal strategies and alibi claims, it was combination of the testimony and a forensic evidence that secured the case. So the jury and the judge found the multiple counts of rape of homicide. The Sarmentes Gomez case serves as powerful reminder of how evidence is crucial and powerful. So in the legal system, it shows that even against great political power, the truth, when carefully documented and backed up by facts, ultimately prevails, and that pursues justice.